Hi everyone, this is Chef Sunil. Today we are going to make Spanish omelette. The ingredients are very simple: 6 large eggs, onion, potato, olive oil, seasoning and pasta. First step is to slice the onion and potato. Break the eggs and add salt. Fry the potatoes till they are cooked. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Once cooked, remove the potatoes and keep them aside. Potatoes into the egg mixture. Also the parsley. Take an omelette pan, saute the onions till translucent. Add the egg and potato mix. Let the omelette cook on medium flame. It's time to flip the omelette. Into the pan. Cook it on a low flame for about 1 minute. Put the omelette onto the serving plate. Light and fluffy Spanish omelette is ready. I hope you try this Spanish delicacy at your home.
If you like to see more such videos, do like and subscribe to our channel to receive timely updates on new video releases.